you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends, them a walking trophy. Tell a girl say, girl, you know, say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you not try hard. Them girl, they not pretty in a real life. You're pretty from the gram, and you're pretty in a real life.
If you want pretty when I'm a bird, then you want for creamy. After all, now the loss we had pan a call. 4 rifle in upon the wall. And my car, drive up, pull up on foot, boys, spread out like same day, yeah, better road like that. I owe me a couple dog, I must have need it. Better say no, better say loyalty before you fuck to the family, just try me money.
Good morning. I'm depression right now because I didn't get no footage from last night. Like literally nothing from last night. Like in our cute pajamas, like I didn't get nothing last night, but you guys go over to Sammy and Sandy and Day's channel to see what happened last night. We recorded a video, so you'll see that, but I recorded a video, so you guys will see the cuteness in that, but that's about it. But let me show you guys the view this morning. This is the view from our hotel room, and we're getting ready right now. Oh, you have clothes on. I didn't realize there was so much water. Damn, I wish I had a boat. I swear to you, I wish I had a boat. But we're gonna get ready now to go to the pool finally, and then checkout time is 12 o'clock, so we're gonna head back home. What she wants. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So I'll catch you guys when we go to the pool. Samantha already. Samantha's ready. Shadi is getting ready. Walk out and you not try hard. Them girl they not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram and you're pretty in a real life.
Yeah, try to take a picture of your IG, girl.
You not do it downstairs?
Over there, sit in the mirror.
Sit down.
She's in the mirror.
Samantha.
Your skin smooth while sun burn up some girl. I want to some girl, but pretty girl now argue with broke girl. Me well clean, everything level up girl.
Why is bread coming up with something, man? Why is it?
No, come back a little bit more, Sandy. I don't know what make you have to walk so fast.
Ready?
Y'all walk in front of me?
Yeah, come.
Gratitude, Jesus Christ. I can't stand you. Them not go hacks.
Yes, people nothing now.
So you couldn't buy too?
No.
I love take time to explain certain things, idiot thing about the cover up, but this is my sister's cover up because I know you guys are gonna hacks.
Yes, because people not fun fast.
No, because we have almost two of everything.
Yeah, that's true.
Hi Zoe's vlog.
Wait, them can't. Burr.
We're gonna go to work tomorrow.
Need to find like a group of guys.
Yeah.
Guys will be guys. You're right. Even when you're married to them, that's true.
Yeah, so.
What is it, 6 foot? Look, I can't go in there.
No.
It's gonna look sexy because it's a
So we're about to be made.
Hey guys, I'm at the beach. I mean the pool. Not the beach.
Like I just
So yeah. Wanna watch the post there? Shade, wanna watch the post?
watch the pool. Where is it?
Right there by.
There's one that my boss
I wonder if my foot can make me swim, or if my chance it.
What?
My foot. If I can't move it enough for
That's all, you know, that's only 6 feet.
to swim, huh?
That's only 6 feet. You drowned in.
I'm only 5'5".
Can't hear you.
I'm only 5'5".
You're only 5, but I'm saying go to the 5-foot one then. And if you're drowning, I'm gonna save you.
One most gal I run down, I know my style. Hype don't pay my bills, girl child. No man can trick me with no profile. Hype don't pay my bills, girl child. Him a have substance. If him a go get me worse, me a go play the role of me a seeker. Nah, been a mate for no idiot, man was idiot. Girl pants up of that, no.
Oh god. What is that?
Somebody asked her if she's so thick. That's because she's drinking porridge.
I can't stand her. Oh well, I went and took a nice little dip in the pool.
I think I need to get the loads warm. Yeah.
I took a nice little dip in the pool and I feel a little refreshed, yeah.
Oh yeah. My gosh, this guy's winning us all.
Shut up, Ashley.
This is the last turn. Come to find this every day. Long time in the year that song
I
there,
love
no?
that song.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
For box that in the end. Wall yourself, Buggy, wall yourself.
Mate a fight. See a girl pussy clear man last night. But watch a girl grab up your boy. If him left, I don't mind pussy valley. Only power pussy have a fit cheap. The other ass me possess with the good underneath. When me man a fuck the pussy, him not tapping him teeth. Him say it's tighty. See me can't get in. Look for the dress and pass me the Vaseline. I lead down low. You know me not dream. You at 22 and you feel like 13 girls below. Let me try me finger first. Cause why your pussy tight like a tight house. If him left, I know my pussy valley.
When I release on me problem. Whatever.
I know it's some girls so they round here. Say them argue over man with them a share. She don't worry about my next girl we are. And she say them need to do them here.
When I release our problem, so me left idiot fi have them. Me too cute fi mix up and blend. So tell a girl she fi go with a argument. Me stress free coming out in a excitement. Them give her free and no one of them beside them. Some girl a hype on me, yes a man a hide them. Now no pride girl, them no hot man no ride them. Hey, mix up again. When them a watch and when them a shot, me walk out and them and make sure turn me back. I say,
Chat to me back, chat to me back. Let me somebody know that girl can. Chat to me back, chat to me back. Them what know what me still on. One kid of me and he know serious. And if you walk around out of the place, when you see me one time, do a violate. One time you pull on here.
The very first time you give me a one wine, from that to the pony and mine. No me can't get the pony damn line. Man, baby.
me want you. up in our room, up in our room. Turn off the light, make we fuck under the moon. Pussy pretty like rose, it just done boom. Get the camera phone and put it on zoom. Fuck me once again, no matter ask. Lose your pants again, take it off. Turn me back, we have slap me on the ass. You want the next round, it have a pass.
Oh fuck. Oh
JN
God.
Bank, a long time in the Jamaica National Bank.
Sunday, you tired? Oh, it hurts. Oh God, yeah. It sucks being a girl sometimes. It's good when it's winding up inside of you, but singing at times, you know.